Hindus across Malaysia are celebrating Thaipusam today, but on a much smaller scale to curb the spread of COVID-19. Only 9,000 people are allowed entry at this temple in Batu Caves. That's compared to tens of thousands before the pandemic. Children are not allowed this year. The kavadi ceremony, which is central to the festival, has also been disallowed at the last minute, frustrating many devotees. Many are instead carrying milk pots to fulfill their vows. Devotees are also required to be fully vaccinated and undergo temperature checks. So many are grateful the celebration was not cancelled as it was last year.
It's a great job to Batu Caves to control the crowd and still maintain everyone to help them to fulfill their vow.
Okay, this year we get an opportunity to celebrate Thaipusam also. It's actually a very big bless, I would say. Okay, because last year due to lockdown and all that we never celebrate.